Mastering kitchen gadgets. The Grill Thermometer. Hello and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to unravel the mysteries behind a handy kitchen gadget, the Grill Thermometer. This device is not just a tool but a guide to achieving perfectly cooked meals. So, let's dive in and understand its importance and usage. A grill thermometer is a device used to measure the temperature inside a grill. It ensures that your food reaches the ideal cooking temperature, which is crucial for both flavor and safety. Unlike a regular thermometer, it's specifically designed to withstand high temperatures found in grills and ovens. Using a grill thermometer has several benefits. 1. Accuracy. It provides an exact temperature, ensuring your meat is perfectly cooked, not overdone or undercooked. 2. Safety. It helps you avoid foodborne illnesses by ensuring your food reaches a safe temperature. 3. Consistency. It allows you to consistently cook your meat to your preferred level of doneness. Grill thermometers come in various types, each with unique features. 1. Analog thermometers. These are traditional, non-digital thermometers. They are durable but can be slow and less accurate than digital models. 2. Digital thermometers. These provide quick and precise temperature readings. Some even have alarms and timers for added convenience. 3. Bluetooth-enabled thermometers. These modern gadgets can connect to your smartphone, allowing you to monitor your grill's temperature remotely. Using a grill thermometer is simple. 1. Preheat your grill to the desired temperature. 2. Insert the thermometer probe into the thickest part of the meat, avoiding fat or bone. 3. Read the temperature. If it's within your desired range, your food is ready. 4. Clean the thermometer after each use to maintain hygiene and accuracy. A grill thermometer is a valuable tool for any culinary enthusiast or beginner. It ensures your food is delicious, safe, and cooked just the way you like it. We hope this video helps you master the art of grilling with the help of a trusty grill thermometer. Happy grilling and happy learning!